Hi, my name's Brandon and this is the Timbren SES torture test. Sorry, dry cough. First up is the knife test. The construction of the Timbren SES, the hard rubber composite of the Timbren SES is resistant enough, is durable enough to resist a blade, as you can see. Something like that. As you can see after that one, the Timbren SES kit is durable enough to withstand most blades. Now it's time to get a little more serious with the 9mm test. Here we have entry and exit of a 9mm through the Timbren SES kit. Now we're gonna hit it with a 45. Now here with the 45, as you can see, I was a little bit off, but we did have an entry and an exit by the 45 on the Timbren SES kit. Let's kick it up a notch and see if this 12 gauge will take it out. That is the coolest part. Even after firing a 12 gauge shotgun at it, this thing's still holding strong. I'm really impressed. Let's bump it up a notch with an M4.
You forgot to put the head in the preset spot. No, you gotta put the Where are you going?
Now let's kick it up a notch with the M4. So we just shot it with the M4 and you can clearly see where the bullet exited. We're gonna press on.
Hey, you talking to me?
What you want?
Look at the motherfucker.
How about another notch with an AK-47? The 7.62 had a similar exit to the M4. The only difference is we actually took out the washer. Not enough damage to make us stop, so we're gonna press on. And now we're gonna cap it off with a 308. Here we have the damage by our 308 bolt action. As you can see, it survived the test. It looks good to us, so we're gonna slap this thing on a Tundra, tow a 4Runner, and see how it performs.
You guys suck.